Quick video here. This is the 1980 Pioneer. Want to try to get I do this by myself, so these videos are kind of hard. But if you look at these connectors, they get really dirty. And this is also a problem with a lot of them ranch units. And this, although this is a 1980 Pioneer, the SX 1250, 1280's got the same problem. There's a press-on connectors. So what I do basically, I'm trying to do this here with one hand, is have a real nice way of polishing these up, cleans them. On both sides. Anyway, just a quick video to show how nice they clean out without thinning them out, without wearing them. You just use anything on these things. It's just like a fine wire brush, and it cleans them up nice. Then I spray them with a cleaner, spray the inside of the pins that slide onto it, and it cleans up quite nicely. That's basically it.